afternoon to everyone watching. Today we have some serious breaking news about things relating to rocks, minerals, and characteristics of different topics. Now, here's Yair to introduce you all to our first topic, the characteristics of living things.
Living things aren't just me and you, our pets, our parents, or even our grandparents. Living things are all things that can move, reproduce, grow, adapt to surrounding environments, evolve, and process energy. For example, plants that grow taller and closer to the sun have a better chance of surviving. Now I'll pass the mic over to Jezebel to talk to you in these cells called eukaryotes and prokaryotes.
Thank you, Yair. These cells, eukaryotes and prokaryotes, are pretty special organisms. Prokaryote cells are built without a nucleus, while eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus. The nucleus in a cell is basically the cell's control center and mainly controls the DNA for the organism. Prokaryotes reproduce in an asexual manner, meaning they only need one organelle to reproduce offspring. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, need two organelles to reproduce offspring via intercourse.
The function of cells. Well, to start, what is a cell? A simple explanation is cells make up most of life and objects. Cells make up your body and the functions in which you need to live, thrive like anything else. You need cells to produce energy from food, fuel yourself, and transfer things like oxygen through your body. Well, what should we start with first? What about the most interesting subject? The mass amount of cells that can exist. A bit over 200 types of cells can exist, but which of them are the most important? Well, blood cells. They deliver oxygen through the body, and if we did not have oxygen, we probably couldn't survive. And what about nerve cells? Well, nerve cells can carry messages like little electrical pulses through the bodies, telling the brain and nerve senses that something is near. So, surprise, surprise, most things in and on the ground here is rocks and minerals, and maybe a few relics of the old age we like to call fossils. But first, we need to talk about the three main types of rocks. We can start out with sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are, as they say, made of sediments like gravel or small rocks, mostly from weathering and erosion. Here's Jezebel to introduce metamorphic and igneous rocks.
The next rock that we talk about today is metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed under the Earth's surface due to the extreme heat and pressure, causing rocks like quartz and marble to form. Now, the final rock that we talk about today is the igneous rock. This type of rock forms when magma exits out of the Earth's crust and pools hardens.
Hola, buenas tardes, bienvenidos aquí con el Telemundo. Hoy tenemos aquí con nosotros y yo me llamo Josué. Hoy vamos a hablar de la célula, la núclea y la citoplasma. Ahorita vamos a hablar de las partes diferentes de la célula y vamos a empezar con la célula neuronal. La célula neuronal es lo que hace, básicamente mira lo que va entrando y lo que va saliendo adentro de la célula. Ahora moviendo adelante con la núclea. La núclea básicamente sirve como la responsabilidad, la genérica información y controla las células, la central en lo que controla las células.
Últimamente el cataclismo es lo que crea la plataforma para otros individuos y para que opere dentro de la célula. Primero las rocas ígneas se forman cuando la roca fundida, caliente, cristaliza o solidifica.
Luego hay una roca sedimentaria. Una roca sedimentaria se forma cuando los sedimentos personas se comienzan a estrellarse.
Luego con el tiempo se construyen más capas a través del mismo proceso, entonces la humedad que hace las capas se compactan, luego los cristales de sal forman rocas sedimentarias compactas.
Rocas metamorfas cuando las rocas están subientes a altas temperaturas, altas presiones, fluidos calientes, riesgos menores o más alguna combinación de estos factores. Moviendo más adelante, vamos a continuar hablando de la superficie del mundo. Cuando se forma una nueva potencia, en realidad cambia la superficie de la Tierra. La roca derretida, eso es lo que empuja desde el centro de la Tierra y la vieja potencia. Y la vieja superficie del mundo se destruye en medida que avanza a ser la roca caliente y se derrite haciendo nueva su fuerza para el mundo. That's all we have for you guys today. Hope to see you again soon. Till next time.
This is depressing.